Welcome to Decision Loop, the podcast from Relic Solutions, where we speak with the experts driving transformation across retail, manufacturing and consumer goods. From AI pilots at scale to data readiness, governance and the human side of automation, this show is your signal through the noise. We're going to start with the AI buzz, because you and I have both been feeling it. I'm sure a lot of our listeners have been feeling it as well. There's been a huge amount of hype recently, particularly around agentic AI. And I really wanted to talk to you about, this is not the first time. I think these things run in cycles. Mm-hmm. So we were sort of like here in 2015, we were here in 2020, and we're here in 2025. And my question to you is really, what's different this time around?
So these waves come, like you said, but one common theme that emerges is there is something very, very tangible that comes out of these kind of innovations that come our way. So I view agentic AI, Gen AI as nothing different, because in the consumer arena now you can do a lot of things. I'm actually leaving to Costa Rica with my family in December, and I planned my vacation using ChatGPT, right? I gave it an objective saying I got 8 days, plan a trip within Costa Rica. I'm going to drive around. So I don't know if I should say what gender I should use, but she came back making recommendations. Then I said, hey, I need to get to this particular city on this particular day. That became a constraint. Now I gave the agent a goal, and then I gave a constraint. It redid the itinerary around that constraint, right? So it's actually fascinating. I put it to realistic use today in my day-to-day life. What that is doing is that is generating a lot of excitement in the enterprise context. People are asking, what else can I do with this in my company, right? So accordingly, I think there are two things that are happening. One is there is a lot of, like you said, hype, a lot of companies talking about it, technology vendors talking about, hey, agentic AI is the silver bullet. Mm-hmm. Then there is the other aspect of it. It's like people who are a little bit down on it, saying that, hey, I can't trust. I don't think it's going to be that relevant. So I think the reality is going to be, I take a little bit more on the optimistic side, but it has to go through that cycle, flush through that cycle, so that we reach a new steady state of practical usage.